Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about the latest updated features of Instagram. So here basically I'm gonna tell you that IGTV option is going to be removed from Instagram, and new features is gonna available on Instagram. The new features is Instagram video. The name of the new features will be Instagram videos. So here, why does this Instagram is doing here is that because IGTV, if you're watching an IGTV video, then you have to uh, click on the IGTV option to watch the full videos, and it get irritated to the viewers. So Instagram has both something special and easier to watch the long videos on Instagram videos features. So here you can see here introducing it's simple to create, watch and discover videos on Instagram. Starting today, we are combining IGTV and feed videos into one format, that is Instagram videos. So it's you can see here officially they had launched the video tab is in profile is the home for new combine. So you can see this type of interface will be available there. You can see the video option will be there, and then here you can see when you're viewing on Instagram, you cannot tap anywhere on the video to enter a full screen videos. You just tap on the screen, the full videos will be available there, and then you can see this type of interface will be there. So next thing is like upload a video by clicking on the plus sign in the top right hand corner. You can see the plus icon, just you need to tap here, click on the post, and then here you can upload the post. Okay, so there will be no IGTV anymore. So now you can see we're also needing some new features like automatic caption. There will be automatic captions and a trimming, video trimming option also. So this is a very cool features that is Instagram is launching right now. So if you are a beta tester, then I hope you are getting or you have already got the features, and if you're not the beta tester, then you have to wait for some time. You will get these features on your Instagram as soon as possible. So this is the update. If you really liked it, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.